Just listen to everything I tell you. Can you hear me?
You got tires?
Red.
You got the extra magnet.
Oh, I give you like 5. You know, nobody wants to do it.
Hey, Trevor Cross, I'll take this side, you take that side, we keep going.
Give me extra, I won't take it off.
Good deal. Good enough.
Hey, buddy, here you go.
Let's get down with him.
All right, man. Hold that up. This is safe. Push it over to the other side. It's fired, okay? Put that on your shoulder. Put it in there, like that. Pretty hard. Man, hey, come on. Stop it in. Put it on fire. Start firing. Look through there. Put your left hand like this. Here, there you go.
Handle forward.
All right, there you go. Start firing at that barrel. There you go.
Yeah.
Start your back, all the way back. Put it on tape. Go, put another magazine in there. You ready? Fire ready. We had a little cadet took my gun. They need a back. Okay, charge it back. Put it on safe. Put it on safe. There you go. Pull it out. Put the last magazine in there. One more for that little cadet that was here before him took the goggles.
Oh, well, she's not far away.
Sorry, I already got it. Did I go?
Yeah, let's burn some out.